Galaxy S24 launched with brilliant screen, AI features, and 4000 mAh battery. Samsung at the Galaxy Unpacked event demonstrated with the launch of its Galaxy S24, the base variant of the series. Its vision, it's long chased for an AI smartphone. The Galaxy S24 provided users with a range of new and improved features alongside some trivial but appreciated screen and battery enhancements. Let's dive deeper to explore the strong initial impression of the Galaxy S24. The appearance of the Galaxy S24 closely resembles that of the S23. The flat screen and back panel are connected by metal side rails, but the phone now features a unibody-like design. Instead of the titanium used in the top-tier Ultra variant, the frame is constructed of aluminum. Despite still having Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the phone is also IP68 rated for water resistance, making it suitable for surviving water splashes even in the shower. The Galaxy S24 boasts a larger 6.2-inch OLED display with slimmer bezels compared to the Galaxy S23, and it offers a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The cameras on both the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus remain unchanged from last year. They include a 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. In case you're not already acquainted with them, the Galaxy S24 comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, in regions outside of the US, such as the UK, these two models are equipped with Samsung's own Exynos 2400 for Galaxy chip. The S24 with the Snapdragon processor delivers exceptional phone performance, but due to past experiences where Exynos chips have provided less powerful performance compared to equivalent Snapdragon chips, some buyers outside the US may hesitate to make a purchase. The default 8GB RAM and 128GB storage capacity may seem limited, but it is possible to upgrade to 256GB storage if you need. The base model of the Galaxy S24 with 8GB RAM and 128GB built-in storage will cost you $799. The company kicked off its pre-orders right from its launching date, January 17, 2024. Meanwhile, the full-fledged release will take place on January 31st, 2024.